Here we have a John Deere 4000. Does have the loader with the grapple, diesel synchro shift. Tractor, I just jumped in it, fired it right up, started right up, pulled it outside. It's on the Barb Bailey Estate, southwest of Woonsocket, South Dakota. Looks like good rear tires on it. Let me jump in it and just pull it out for you and show you the loader operates. Alright, so I'm in the tractor. There you go. Tractor runs good, sounds good. Cab blower fan's working. I'm not going to guarantee the air at all. It shows 95, 85 is the hours. Or, of course, this age tractor we can't trust the tach. You're buying a tractor that runs, drives, and works as it should. There you go. Barb Bailey Estate, September 23rd, online only auction. BenMeyerAuctions.com. Thanks for looking.